Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon. This is the end result of the twist out I created in this video. You're going to see how I created it. My hair is type 4B/C, kinky hair. Don't know what else to say about my hair. As you can see, my hair is in twists and I'm going to unravel them right now. These twists were left in my hair for 2 or 3 days. Yeah, 2 or 3 days, not too long, but yeah, 2 or 3 days. I used the As I Am Long and Luxe collection styling products and hair washing products as well. The Grow Wash, as in the co-wash, the conditioner, and then styling products. It is the Grow Yogurt, which is a leave-in conditioner, and the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. They're all the red range in the As I Am collection. But yeah, unraveling my hair right now. I'm still unraveling my hair. My hair has been through some journeys, shall I say, and I'm only noticing now that it is better than how it was in the summertime. Well, actually, I've been noticing it's better since a couple of months ago. This video was recorded in December 2019. I am recording this voiceover in January, early January. I ain't gonna disclose the date right now because I don't know when I'm going to release this video. So I've unraveled all the twists and I'm just separating each strand to make them a little bit smaller and to give my hair a little bit more volume. You know how it goes. I like to do twist out. Twist outs is one of my favorite hairstyles that I like to do. I've been doing them for however long. Even though the results can vary nowadays depending on the products that I'm using, depending on how my hair is. I'm noticing my hair is stronger and it's a bit thicker, so the outcome, like I said, varies. There was a time that I got some good definition early last year, but I think it depends on the products that I use, how I use them, my hair health, the prepping style. All of these things contribute to how the outcome of the twist out would be. And because my hair is gotten thicker and stronger, it is just different. But it's good. It literally is good. I'm hoping for hair growth this year. Even though my hair has been growing, but like a dramatic, you can properly see that my hair is properly growing. But yeah, let me continue unraveling each strand, or not unraveling, separating each strand and making them a little bit more smaller to give my head a bit more definition. I'm just watching myself. I did get good definition, but I think it could have been a little bit better. But hey, maybe my technique was a bit, but I'm still learning. Ay. How is your natural hair journey going? Like, you see, if you are a returning subscriber, you've seen how my hair has changed from since last year till now. And yeah, I love to fluff my hair to give it more volume. Have you noticed that? Look on that side, it's got more volume. The other side, it's just looking flat. Afro pick, hey. You need this Afro pick in your life if you have natural hair. Literally, it is a lifesaver to hair. Not for combing, but for giving your hair volume. Actually, you can use it for combing your hair, for detangling your hair as well. But for styling, yes, it is well needed. And also, another thing I've realised now, I think I might need to add heat into the styling process to make my hair dry quicker, because my hair takes long to dry because I let my hair air dry. So that might be another thing as well. But yeah, I'm still fluffing it out. How is 2020 going for you so far? For me, kind of quiet, but I'm still going strong with my hair videos. Thank goodness for that, because there's nothing really else to record right now, is there? For me, there are things I plan to record and new content, but just not right now. Hair consistent, because I'm always washing my hair, styling my hair. It's a thing that I've always been doing. Makeup. The last time I did a makeup video was like last year or the year before. I literally don't even remember, because you know me, I don't do much makeup videos. Hair is my thing. I'm just putting a bobby pin there. This is the styling bit of my head now. Just doing a bobby pin there, another bobby pin, and there you go. I changed it afterwards because I think the weather was a bit funny outside. I was doing this video before I had to go outside to an event, but I changed it afterwards. But for this video purpose, I left it like this. Close to the end now. What do you think? Are you liking it? Yes, I know it needs more definition, but yes, I need to tweak my technique a little bit. I'm showing you the products that I use for the styling. That's the Grow Yogurt, the bottle. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie is the tub. Close to the end of this video now. Thank you. Have you got any tips? What tips would you suggest to get the best twist out? Let me know. Yeah, because I want to get a good twist out this year, literally. But thank you for watching anyway. If you're new, hopefully you subscribe to my channel. I have many more hair videos, hair tutorials to come. If you're returning, thank you for returning and supporting my channel as well. And have a happy 2020. Goodbye.